Well friends, here is problem number 10. Question is, how many squares are in the given figure? So this is the given figure. We have to find total number of squares present in this figure. And the options are 13, 15, 17 and 19. So we have to find total number of squares present in the given figure. So in the previous example, I said that you have to give numbers to small parts and then check whether individual parts are going to give a specified shape, and then combining the parts, whether the combined parts going to give the specified shape, and then start counting the all obtained shapes and then go to option. So this is the procedure that we followed in the previous example. So even in this example you can follow the same procedure, but this example is simple. There is no need of giving numbers to parts. Just by observing the given figure you can find total number of squares present in that figure. Okay, now if you observe the given figure, this is a square. Okay, this is a square. This is a square. So how many squares are obtained? 3 squares. And the same figure or the mirror view, I can say, is present here. So total 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 squares. Okay, I have got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 plus 3. Next observation. I can see that this is one square. Okay. This is one square. Yes, I can write here plus 1. And in that square, I am having 4 more squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. Now, if you observe, you will find one more square here. This is one more square. Okay. Plus 1. Now, if you observe, yes, 4 more squares here. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So plus 4. Now, is there any other square present? Is there any other square? Total how many squares we obtained? 3, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. So total 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Total 16 squares we obtained. Okay. Is there any other square which is present? I think no. Okay, now go to options. In the options, 16 is not there. 16 is not there. We obtained 16 squares, but in the option we are not having 16. That means the obtained squares that we obtained here, 16 squares, is not right. There may be some extra squares present. Do you find any square? Yes. This is the big square. Okay. Or you can say the outer square. The big square. This is plus 1, which will give you 17. So there are total 17 squares. Sometimes what happens, you don't consider this outside portion. Usually in the given examples, outside portion is also going to give you one specified shape. So that we missed earlier. We found earlier that 16 squares present in the given figure, but it is 16 plus 1. The one is the outer square. So there are total 17 square present in the given diagram. Now go to options. First option is 13, wrong. Second is 15, wrong. third is 17, which will be right option. So this is how we solve this example. There is no need of writing, yes, labeling the parts 1, 2, 3, 4. If you find the specified shape easily, then there is no need of writing parts. Easily you can get the answers for such questions. Okay friends, now I will move to problem number 11.